right, so day 2, we back on the Jeep, getting the engine tore down, pulling the rest of the stuff off, like the exhaust, the intake, and pulling the head off. So we're gonna jump on that, and let's check it out and see how much carnage we have. All right, I've seen a lot of bad blocks, but this one was far the worst. So right here where the motor mount is, you see that it's broke. It's broke completely off. Then I notice down here, let me see if I get you a good picture. You see that crack? That crack is going all the way down. So this block is totally done for. Sorry about that, autofocus there. There we go. So wow, that's crazy that block is damaged like that. So let's get the valve cover off and see what we got here. Let's see, I think it's one right here. Wow. Yeah, that's from not changing the oil. Man, look at the sludge. See, that's why I gotta thank people for this, because without this I probably wouldn't get the car. Golly. Okay, so I got all the head bolts out. I pulled out the push rods and the rockers. Now it's time to see what's under here. I'm hoping that the head is good because it's the most valuable part of this engine. Let's take it off and see. Now this joker do weigh about 1 billion pounds. So let's see if I could get it off of here. Let's see, I'm gonna have to get up in there. 'cause she's heavy. She thick. Well, that piston down there sideways, huh? All right, let me get you guys down here so you can see. The head actually looks pretty good. Nothing out of the ordinary. That was the bad cylinder. Now that intake valve is bent. The exhaust looks, no, exhaust is bent. The intake is fine. And the rest of them looks good. It doesn't look like it blew a head gasket. And let's take a look at that piston. All the rest of them look fine. And then you see how that one looks? How it's straight. Now look at that one. Click, and you can see the indentations of the valve seat hitting it. Wow. Well, the only thing is good out of here is 5 rods. Maybe the crank is crank's probably destroyed. The cam may be okay, but they never changed the oil, and that's what happens. All right, so as you see, we pulled the head off and everything on this 4-liter. Is junk. The block is no good. I'm pretty sure the cam is no good. The only thing I probably take away from this, I'm hoping the crank is no good. The cam may be okay. I probably could take 5 rods from this and save them. I think I have some more rods at Scott's house, but I'm not sure. But yeah, I just got to find a either whole engine. I mean, I don't want to because I could use that head. If I could just find a short block that's not destroyed, or just a plain block, that'd be fine too. But I'll take the whole engine if it's cheap enough. And we'll go from there. We're gonna wrap it up for today. I had to get back to work. And until next time, guys, please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you then.